Doggy. Hey, Marty. What are you doing? Hey, Missy. Oh. You want Luffy, don't you? You want him, don't you? Get up. Marty, get up. Get up. Get up. Max. Max. Doggies really seem excited, don't they? Me. Maxie, why would you look at me? Marty? Hey, don't wag your tail, please. Don't wag your tail, please, Marty. I don't want, my parents busting out the door for sure. I'll give him a toy to play. This pillow. Don't know why, but okay. Marty. Give me a pillow. I'll crack it fast. Don't run away from me. I don't want to run because I don't want to bash my head into something. Marty, get back here. Get back here. Get back here, Marty. Give me that pillow. Then you give me the pillow. Let's give you something else to play with. Like this. Marty. Wants to play with that pillow. Okay, Marty, what about this toy? Marty, wanna play with this? Here, Marty, I'll get you something else. Where's the other toy? Where's that toy, huh? Where is it? Oh, I'm sorry, MacBook. Oh no. Not sure you can hear that, but it's steaming. Ew. Where is that? Oh, there it is. Oh my God, Marley, you can't carry two in your mouth. Marley, Marley, you can't carry two in your mouth. That's not healthy. Oh my God. I think at least she has two toys in his mouth. He doesn't give a crap. He's just roaming with two. Oh my God. Hilaire. It's Hilaire. It's Hilaire. Give me one. Thank you. Now don't grab two again. This is what happens when you take Marty's toys. For example, I grab him, I take one of his toys, he doesn't go after it. If I drop it, nothing. If I take this toy, he doesn't give a crap. If I drop it, he looks at it. Max is just looking at me. Mine. That's mine, Marley. You can never have him. I thought I won't be mean to you like that. Take it. He's confused. Maxie? Wanna play play? So cute. Marnie, come here. Marnie, come here. Oh, sorry, I kept you waiting. Back for fun. This is what happens when I kick his pillow. He just backs away. He backs away. Get over here. Okay, I'm gonna cook up and listen. Yeah. God damn it. Dang it. This is giving me a summer vibe. Now I'm gonna clean up the mess I made. Running out of paper towels. We'll drip all over the place, please. Paper towels, because that can help with clean. That's a lot of orange juice. I just spilled not much, but this is a lot compared to the paper towel. That's a lot of orange juice. Now that's cringe. Tasty. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video there. Marnie, Max, it's fun playing with y'all. I can still see you all. Let me get extremely high. Yeah. 3, 2, 1.